Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Angdi. I am going to talk about Indian traditional games and their benefits. India is a country rich in culture and traditions, just like our festivals, food, and languages. We also have a wide variety of traditional games. These games are not just for fun, they are an important part of our history and help in overall development of person. From ancient times, people in India played games in open fields, courtyards, and streets. These games were passed from one generation to another. They helped people stay active, build strong relationships, and learn important life skills. Kabaddi is a very popular and exciting outdoor game. In this game, one player called the raider goes into the opponent's side while continuously saying Kabaddi without taking a breath. The goal is to touch opponents and return safely. Kabaddi improves physical strength, stamina, and lung capacity. It also develops quick decision making and teamwork. It teaches courage and confidence. Kho is a fast moving chasing game. Players sit in a row and take turns chasing the opponent. The chaser has to run quickly and touch the defender. This game improves speed, relaxes, and coordination. It also teaches strategy and team spirit. Players must think quickly and work together. Another interesting game is Gilli Danda. It is played using two sticks, a small one called Gilli and a longer one called Danda. The player hits the Gilli into the air and strike it as far as possible. This game is often called the ancestor of cricket. It improves hand-eye coordination, timing and physical strength. It also encourages creativity as it can be played anywhere. Covered Chaturanga, the ancient form of chess. Chess originated in India and later spread around the world. It is a board game that requires thinking and planning. This game improves logical thinking, concentration, and problem solving skills. It also helps in improving memory and decision making ability. Pachis is the traditional version of Ludo. It was even played by kings like Emperor Akbar in ancient times. This game teaches patience, counting, and strategy. It is also a great game for family bonding and spending quality time together. Lagori, also known as Seven Stones. In this game, players stack stones and try to hit them with a ball. The other team tries to rebuild the stack while avoiding the ball. Lagori improves physical fitness, teamwork, and quick thinking. It is full of energy and excitement. Matter because they play an important role in our overall development and cultural preservation. First, they promote physical fitness. Games like Kabaddi and Kho involve running, jumping, and quick movements, which helps keep our body active and healthy. Second, they improve mental skills. Many traditional games require strategy, concentration, and quick decision making. This helps in developing thinking ability and problem solving skills. Third, they build social connections. These games are usually played in groups, which helps in improving teamwork, communication, and cooperation. They bring people together and strengthen relationships. Finally, traditional games are a part of our cultural heritage. They connect us to our roots and traditions. By playing them, we keep our culture alive for future generations. Indian traditional games are not just a source of entertainment, but they play a vital role in our physical, mental, and social development. They help us stay active, improve our thinking skills, and build strong relationships. These games also connect us to our rich cultural heritage and remind us of our traditions. In today's digital age, it is important to encourage and preserve these games for future generations. Let us make an effort to play, promote, and protect our traditional games. Thank you.